FitLab PGH is back with a movement tip, lifestyle hack. We are a podcast that believes movement should be treated as a lifestyle. Think about your footwear and whether or not your toes and your feet have enough room to spread out. I've got here a Zero shoe that's got a very wide toe box. Ultra shoes also. We've also talked about Psalms and Carson footwear. And you can see here I'm also wearing some Correct toes invented by Ray McClanahan. The whole idea is to allow my foot to spread out. And one of the tricks that Dr. McClanahan mentioned in our Moving to Live podcast, if you want to know if a shoe has enough width for you, take out the insole, put it down, stand on it, and make sure your foot doesn't overlap. If your foot overlaps someplace, it's a sign that you need to find a wider shoe. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.